What's for dinner? Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to my channel, Chef Z Cooks. Today I have an entirely different video. I'm actually going to be sharing a couple of life updates because so much has gone on even in this year alone, which by the way, I feel like this year is already flying by. It's March, but honestly, it feels like it could be June or July. So first things first, I do want to address the elephant in the room.
Francine.
And you guys are probably like, which one, Z? Because there's a few. And yes, there's a few, but the one I'm most excited to address is that we hit 60,000 subscribers. Yeah. I, first of all, really want to thank each and every single last one of you guys for subscribing to my channel, for commenting, showing love, but more importantly, for trying the recipes and sharing them with your family. I honestly cannot tell you just how much that means to me and how much it means to me when you guys share your own stories. Like, honestly, I'm a crybaby, okay? And a lot of the times those messages seriously bring me to tears. Now, I had originally planned this like huge celebration when we hit 50,000 subscribers at the end of last year, but so many things got in the way. And one of those things that got in the way is I am engaged. So I actually got engaged during the holidays, and it was around the same time that we hit 50,000 subscribers, and I was just consumed with the emotions of being engaged and the holidays and family and planning a wedding and being like, wait, I don't want to plan a wedding. I just want to enjoy my engagement because listen, guys, FYI, planning a wedding in New York City is expensive, stressful, and fun. It's also pretty fun. I'm not going to lie. Now, I know some of you guys have kind of caught on, and some of the comments I've been getting lately, like, hey, is that a ring? Is that a ring? Yes, it is. And I don't have to say this, but just in case I do, my fiance is the magic behind the camera.
Oh, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
And I'm still working on getting him to be on this side of things.
Huh?
Now, another life update that I do want to share is that I am planning on launching a personal blog. It's not ready yet, but as soon as it's ready, I'll be sure and share it with you guys. Now, my personal blog is going to be everything about me. It's going to be Simply Z. And if you can't guess, that's actually going to be the name of the personal blog. And it's where I'll get to share a little bit more of my life. So you're going to get Chef Z. So all the cooking is going to be here. But the personal blog is where I'll share a little bit more about just being 30, a young woman, adulting like crazy, planning a wedding, struggling with my weight, like everything you can imagine, all that fun stuff is going to be on my personal blog, and it's where I'll get to be me, but not chef me, if that makes sense. I can't think of any more life updates. I think those are the really big ones. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much and all your congratulations. I see it on Instagram and everywhere, and it truly means the world. And keep an eye out for my personal blog, and I'll make a special announcement once that's live and ready to go. Until next time, I'm Chef Z y buen provecho. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Now, today's video was a little bit different, but be sure to come back next week when I have all new recipes, some yummy things going on. And if you need some inspiration on what to cook until then, I have so many recipes right here.